Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to convert, PDF file to JPEG format on our MacBook in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, we need to open our Finder and we need to look for specific file that we wanted to convert to what? To JPEG. So let's say I wanted to, maybe this one. Let's say this one, guys. So I wanted to convert this one, guys, to JPEG. So in order to do that, guys, I also have here, you know, some kind of step. You just have to, click on your keyboard the command Shift plus S. Okay, so it will show you, other file or duplicate file on this one, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, to convert this to JPEG, you just have to kind of control S to save the file. Okay, and as you can see, guys, it says save as. You can put some name here, let's say sample. Okay, and where to save it to your downloads. Okay, I'm gonna save it so my downloads. And here, guys, for format, guys, you can actually choose here whether HEIC, JPEG, JPEG 2000, OpenEXR, PDF, PNG, and TIEF. So we wanted to convert it to JPEG, so you just have to select JPEG. Okay, so after that, guys, okay, quality, let's say of high quality, of course, and just have to click the save button. Okay, so now we successfully, you know it successfully save the file as JPEG, and we can actually check on that into our Finder, guys. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.